What's up, guys? Let's talk about the top cryptocurrency exchanges that you can use if you're based in South Africa today. So with a growing number of cryptocurrency investors coming into the space, you need to have reliable digital asset trading platforms. And if you're based in this part of the world, that is South Africa, there are several options that you actually have. And today we'll be going through some of those. So make sure you give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Head on over to our main site, decentralized.news, for the best cryptocurrency exchange reviews, DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, all things crypto. Let's get started. The number one platform you would be able to access in South Africa is Luno. They have been a dominant player since 2013, operating in about 40 countries worldwide, including South Africa, which is where the founders are from. A very easy to use interface and a design suitable for beginners. Cryptocurrencies that are available on the platform include things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the major large caps like Litecoin and Sol, etc. So USDC, USDT fees are a little bit higher than some platforms, of course. 2% maker and taker fees, deposit methods, bank transfers from most of the local banks in South Africa, or debit or credit card as well. It is regulated by the South African Financial Sector and Conduct Authority, which is the FSCA, with a CAT1 license. Okay, so they are a regulated VASP. Number two platform would have to be a local platform, Vala, as well, launched back in 2019, allowing you to quickly exchange your cryptocurrencies if you want to. And it's based in South Africa, offering over 60 cryptocurrency assets, so a lot more options than Luno. Although I do prefer using Luno myself, it has a lot of other cryptos as well on Vala. So if you want to access a lot more options, up to 0.8% in maker and taker fees, so lower than Luno as well. Deposit methods are also good. Credit, debit card, bank transfers, the like. Also a regulated platform just like Luno in the region. Number three, I would say if you want to kind of use a platform that has been trying to penetrate the local market, you could also try local, Yellow Card, operating in 20 African countries thereabouts, really focused on the African market, supporting about 50 crypto assets, including stable coins, of course. Offers free transactions as well, supports debit and credit cards, and also has a license. Then you can also use one of my favorite platforms, which is Tabbit, which was founded in 2021. This is a no KYC platform, rapidly gaining traction, offering a user-friendly interface and a wide range of cryptocurrencies for you to choose from. That's over 800 cryptocurrencies, so this is large and extensive. So I would recommend you use Tabbit. The link is in the description. If you can sign up with my link, you also can get some bonuses. So they also have a good spot trading fees set at 0.1 for both makers and takers. Deposits are facilitated by bank transfers or credit cards and third-party payment providers. Features off 150x leverage you can use on futures trading, and also offering you some passive income opportunities through staking. And it has a very, very popular copy trading platform. So I would recommend you use Tabbit to get wider access on a global market. And you can also use some OG platforms like Coinbase, of course, which is obviously known in the US, predominantly over 250 crypto assets, up to 0.6 maker and taker fees. Deposit methods also flexible there. You can also access it in South Africa, but it doesn't support the South African rand for trading. Bybit is a good option. Check out the link down below. Established in 2018, renowned platform for futures trading, offering 600 assets, 0.1 maker and taker fees, so very cheap. Supports crypto deposits, bank transfers, credit, debit cards are usable, up to 100x leverage futures contracts. Also has a P2P trading platform, so it's very good. Go check out Bybit, link down below. BitUnix is also another one of those great platforms that has come into the limelight more recently. I like it. Check out the link down below. Launched in 2021, offering comprehensive trading experiences, secure user satisfaction as well. If you look at the reviews, supports over 300 pairs. Spot trading fees are 0.08% maker and 1% for takers, multiple deposit methods available, up to 125x leverage on derivatives, and it has a user-friendly interface. And also you can use Binance, which is another one of those popular platforms. Of course, over 400 crypto assets, maximum 0.1 maker and taker fees. They accepts crypto deposits, also debit and credit card transactions, and you can use your bank deposits to withdraw as well on the platform quite easily. In South Africa, 125x on leverage, and also staking in a P2P platform is available. Kraken, US-based platform based in the US, founded in 2011, very OG platform, 350 cryptocurrencies. You can use 0.4 maker fees, up to 0.25% in fees as well. Deposit methods, plenty of them. Also, you can use it in South Africa, and also you can use Gemini, which is the last platform we'll talk about here. Also an OG platform, way back in 2014 it was established. 80 crypto assets, BTC, XRP, all the likes, 1.4 maker and taker fees. So those are the top platforms you can use in South Africa if you want to get started with your crypto trading journey. Make sure you tap in with decentralized.news. Check out my links to all the platforms that I'm recommending down below. And if you also want to get started, make sure you download my book, DeFi Millionaire, which is at DeFiMillionaire.com, and check out the rest of the links in the description. Like, share, and subscribe, turn on the notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, love.